Hello students, in our previous video we have discussed about the reflection of light, the phenomena of bouncing back of light ray when they strike on the surface. And today I am going to demonstrate the laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflection by using a laser, a mirror and a screen. You can see here screen. It is nothing but a white background and I have attached a white A4 size paper on the cardboard. And laws of reflection can be easily demonstrated with these things. And here I am going to use a red laser light in order to support my demonstration. You know that anything you see in the mirror is the reflection. And when a ray of light coming from the source of light, when a ray of light strike on the when a ray of light which falls on the surface of an object, we can say here mirror, is called the incident ray. This is the incident ray. And the ray which is sent back by the object is called reflected ray. And the point where the incident ray strike on the surface is known as point of incidence, and we generally draw a normal means angle of 90 degree at this point. And so to have a better view, I have switched off the light. You can see here that I have switched off the light in the room, and now it is very well. It is incident ray and it is reflected ray. This ray is reflected ray. This is reflected ray. So this shows that incident ray, reflected ray and normal, they all lie in a same place, and this is the first law of the reflection. And if we draw normal here, this is incident ray. The angle between the normal and incident ray is known as angle I, or angle of incidence. And the angle formed, this is reflected ray. Angle formed by reflected ray and normal is known as angle of reflection, and it is generally represented as angle R. Both the angle of incidence and angle of reflection, they are equal to each other. And these are two laws of reflection. And if a ray of light is incident normally on a plane mirror, this is a plane mirror. Here you can see that if we strike a ray of light normally, then it means that it is traveling along the normal. It is traveling along the normal to the mirror surface, and the angle of incidence for such a ray of light is 0. In this case, angle of incidence is 0. Since the angle of incidence is 0, so according to the second law of reflection, the angle of reflection should also be 0. So it means that the reflected ray will also travel back from the mirror along the normal in this case. So in our next video, we will discuss about how the image is formed through a plane mirror. Thank you.